addition to greasing your edger, part of maintenance, you want to keep an eye on your brushes. They should be this length, about 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch long. If they're wearing, replace them. Your casters should spin freely both ways. If they're getting banged up or if the shaft is bent, replace them. Same switch we use on the SL8 is what you'd use to rewire the SL7. And we do have a kit, C751, which is all the fasteners involved with the 2 handles and the lamp shield for the SL7. So part of maintenance for the edger, keeping it greased, keeping your casters moving freely, your brushes in the right shape, and your proper fasteners. Last but not least, the C735 lamp is no longer available. Starting in 2020, we started using the C735 LED on all our machines, and that's what we're replacing the old lamp with.